Hey, my name is Brigette Heller from Arizona, and I own and run a small business where we take personalized handwriting, fingerprints, or symbols and engrave them on tiny, tiny charms or earrings or rings for our customers. Because of what we do, because we needed high quality engravings using images that were complex, I had to go on a little bit of a search to find the right tool. I spoke to other people who have lasers within many industries, different kinds of lasers, different industries, different companies, and what I found was xTool. We chose xTool because they have the fiber laser, which can engrave and emboss on metals, which is what we want. And it can do it very precisely and on a tiny, tiny scale. It is easy to use. I am new to the laser world. When I started this company, I had never touched a laser, not a single day in my life, but I knew I could learn because I had seen others do it. The community for xTool is absolutely incredible. People are willing to share their projects, their settings, answer questions, and help you figure out where you're going right and where you're going wrong. The xTool F1 Ultra for me was the perfect choice because it has the fiber laser and can engrave and etch metal, emboss, and do all the things that we need to create the custom pieces. It can also do everything we need for packaging and marketing, from our necklace sleeves to jewelry boxes. It does everything. We've engraved on paper, on wood, and of course, every day on metal. Buying my xTool was so easy. The website is friendly. There are many YouTube videos and other entrepreneurs using the xTool that you can learn so much before you even hit purchase. Once I purchased the machine, it was here within a week. It was wildly fast. It showed up even faster than I thought or had read online. The things that I purchased from xTool initially were the F1 Ultra and also the conveyor belt, because I expect to be producing big scale items and I needed the ease and convenience of the machine that could run through many items quickly. The thing that I wish I had purchased that I did not was the air purifier. You do have to vent your machine. And so I'm in a room with a window that I can vent to easily. But oh man, I wish I got that purifier. Let me show you a little bit of what we do and how easy this is. So the first thing I'm going to do is open my creative space and then hit refresh, because this is going to take a picture of what is on my xTool F1 Ultra. See our picture? These are all our baby charms right here. Now the next thing I get to do is bring in files and line them up right here. One of the things I love about the F1 Ultra is how easy it is to frame, how easy it is to adjust my laser, and that it shows me exactly what it's going to engrave. I also love, it sounds so silly, but I love it, that I don't have to wear glasses, because this acts as my eye protection, and I love that use. Now I get to frame everything out, which is easy. I click on it, I hit frame, it shows me exactly where it is on my laser, and when I'm done, I can stop. Okay, here we go to process. Ready? How easy is this gonna be? Got my mini butterflies. And in less than 30 seconds, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beautiful butterfly charms. They're so tiny. And I've been able to do this on everything from paper bags to wood to my designs on here. Everything has been easy, quick, and efficient. The first time I created a full piece for someone, I put the necklace together. She came in here, this very room, put it on, and then looked in the mirror and started to cry. For me, xTool has helped me create a brand that tells a story of an individual, that someone gets to have a personalized part of their story and who they are with them at all times. If you're thinking about purchasing an xTool, especially the F1 Ultra, make sure that you get yourself in the community of creators and learn a little bit before, because then when you get your machine, you will be able to run fast and do exactly what you want with it. This machine is so versatile that I know that even though I own a jewelry business, I could own so many different kinds of businesses with this one machine. And that makes me, as a small business owner, feel so confident in my purchase. My expectations for xTool are that I'm going to be able to use this machine to scale my business to a level that very few machines could take me to. Because it's so versatile and I can do all of my product packaging, all of my product producing on one machine, that means I can do so much more for my company immediately. If you're thinking about getting an xTool, I would say do it. It has been one of my favorite purchases as a small business owner that I've ever made.